Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. Today I have a '04 Pontiac Grand Am. Ran into an electrical issue. Figure I would help anybody else coming with the same issue. Tail lights worked, no brake lights. The center light on this worked, but we had no rear on both. So I couldn't find a wiring diagram that matched what this car had. Went through all that, Identifix, Mitchell, they all said like there's wires supposed to come up here to the turn signal switch, and there was supposed to be a wire that came over here to the hazard switch, which there's none on here. So basically on this system, it's got one power going to the brake switch. When you press it, you will get power to this wire right here. So basically when you're testing this to try to figure out your issue, you would test to see if you have power going to this wire, this first one here, whenever you hit the brake, and then you should have power coming out of this wire and this wire going to the back. One's for the left, one's for the right. Down here at the bottom, this 20 amp fuse is the fuse for the brake lights. So if you have power going in and nothing coming out, and you have a good fuse down there, then your fuse box is good. If you do not have power going to this, when you hit the brakes, key on, key off, it don't matter, then your brake light switch would be bad. But if you have what we had in this, power coming in and out of both of those, then you would come back here, and the top wire, this your light blue one right here, should have power going to when you hit the brakes. That is your brake light. The light blue one over here, let me get this thing to focus. The light blue one right here is for your tail lamps. This is your main ground. So this right here would be your brake light. So we did have power going to this, but no brake lights on both. So it ended up being the actual circuit board for the tail lamps. The lady actually had both of them were bad. There's no telling how long she had them both bad, but that's what we had to do to fix it. So if you're running into the same issue where you don't have a matching wire diagram, this will get you where you need to go. So brake light switch, a bad fuse box, bad fuse, or this actual tail lamp assembly. Check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, keep wrenching.